Hello again. Let's talk about cleaning drain lines in your air conditioning unit. There's a lot of misconceptions of how to get it clean enough. There are a few things you're going to need to set up before you do this. One thing I want to make sure you do is when you clean your drain line, make sure the unit's off. You don't have to take very long. We're not going to heat up your house too much. But I recommend you do this at least once a month and once every other month, even if you're not running your air conditioning unit. The reason is we get dirt daubers, lizards in there, spiders, you name it, I've seen it. So here's the thing. If you have a shop vac, have it outside ready to go. Have it plugged in. One thing that's a misconception is that bleach cleans your drain line, or vinegar for that matter, if you want to use vinegar. Neither do. What they do is they loosen up whatever's in the drain line. That's all they do. They do not move the stuff out of the drain line, and that's the problem. So here's what you're going to do. Once that unit's turned off, you're going to need your funnel to pour something down in there. Now I like bleach. Now I use one of these small ones, or you can get the smaller one than this. I think this one is what 43 ounces. You can get them half this size. It doesn't matter. Something easy to use. Don't get your gallon one. You're gonna spill it. Get it on yourself, on your carpet. If it's up in an attic, you still want something light to carry. One of those smaller ones, you can pour the whole thing down there and be done. And what you want to do is you want to let it sit for, let's just say, 15 minutes, 20 minutes at tops. What that's going to do is take all the stuff that's on the side. Dust is going to get past your filter. Dirt's going to get past it. Like I said, dirt daubers they fly up into the end. They crawl up in and build nests. You want that stuff to get loose. Now, after you've let it sit for, let's say, 15 minutes, you want to take that container that you just poured that bleach down, and you want to get very hot tap water, never boiling water, hot tap water, and pour it down that drain. You want to get a good gallon of it, if you can, down that drain line. And what that's doing is what you've loosened up, you're pushing it out. And then I like to take a shop vac and suck it out just to make sure I've got everything. Then I walk inside, and where I have the place where I poured the bleach or vinegar, and I'm going to put my hand on top of it to make sure I have good suction. That's telling me the drain is open. And you don't have to do it exactly that way every time, but you don't want to pour bleach down it and just leave it. You want to flush it out each time. And if you're using vinegar, the same way. Flush it out. Get everything moving. Go outside and you'll see some stuff coming out of there. You'll go, first time, you'll be amazed at what comes out. Now, if you've been using bleach for a long time, what happens is scale. That's one of the things. It'll sit there and dry up, and it'll have scale pieces. So when dust is coming past it, it gets caught on those scales, and that's what causes us to plug back up. We're thinking we're doing a good job when actually we're causing a problem. I hope this video has helped. And if you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and tell your friends to watch my videos. I appreciate your time. Have a good day.